We are the new Miami Marlins. We come to play great baseball every day. We are the team that you were waiting for, from the Sunshine State forevermore. We'll win our games and become champions by aiming to be in first place, by hitting homers, sliding into bases safely, for we're here to stay. So please come out and let us show you that from across the Central, East, and West, this is the team you should be rooting for. We're so much fun and so much more. We're bringing out our yellow, orange, and blue. These are our colors, bright and true. So come enjoy our new Miami Marlins.